Hello everyone, this is Mr. Avila back with our next video on operations on polynomials. We're going to continue on with multiplying polynomials. Now I notice it says here part 2 as this is the second part of our multiplication video. So now we're going to go ahead and multiply polynomials. In the previous one we learned how to multiply monomials. We're going to take that idea and apply it here. So steps for multiplying polynomials. We multiply all the terms of one polynomial to the other. After we finish multiplying all the terms from one polynomial to the other, then we just combine like terms, and then that'll be our answer for the multiplication. Okay, so we're going to multiply these polynomials. Now, the rule was multiply all the terms from one polynomial to another. Technically, you could do it in any way that you want, but here's the order we typically follow. The way I look at it here is we're going to start with this 6x. We're going to multiply it with the 4x, and we're going to multiply it with the 3. After we're done multiplying the 6x to the two terms of the second polynomial, we're going to take the second term, the 5, and multiply it to both terms of the second polynomial. Okay, so follow me in that order. First, we're going to multiply the 6x times 4x. 6 times 4 is 24, and x times x is x to the power of 2. Then we're going to multiply the 6x to the 3. 6x times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And we're going to bring that x down with it. 6x times 3 is 18x. Now we're on to the 5. We're going to multiply the 5 times 4x. That gives us 20x. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4x would be 20x. Finally, our last multiplication, the 5 multiplied to the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. After we multiplied every term from one polynomial to the other, we combine our like terms, and I only see the like terms are in the middle. So we're going to bring down everything else. 24x squared plus 18. Oh, sorry. It's not an 18. We're going to add that 18 plus 20, and that gives us 38. So that's going to be plus 38x plus 15. Okay, we just combined the two terms in the middle. The other ones did not have any like terms. I want you to try this next one and follow the steps that I just showed up of. Multiply 2x plus 7 times 5x plus 4. Pause the video. Try it first before I show you. Moving on in 3, 2, and 1. So we're going to take the 2x and multiply it to both of the terms of the second polynomial. 2x times 5x is 10x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Then we're going to take the 7 and multiply it to the terms of the second polynomial. 7 times 5 is 35x. And 7 times 4 is 28. Combine our like terms in the middle. If there's other like terms, we would combine them, but here it's only the two middle ones. 8 plus 35 is 43 plus 28. Okay, so that's how we multiply polynomials. We multiply all the terms from one polynomial to all the terms in the other, and then we combine like terms. Now let's step it up a notch. Now let's do some with some negatives in here. Same process. We're going to multiply each term from the first polynomial to all the terms in the second polynomial. 6x times 4x is 24x squared. 6x times 3 is 18x. So we finished those first two multiplications with the 6x. Now we're going to take that negative 5 that we have to take into account, that negative on the 5, and multiply it to the 4 and the 3. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20x. A negative times a positive is a negative there. And negative 5 times positive 3 is negative 15. 5 times 3 is 15, and a negative times a positive is a negative. We're going to combine our like terms. In this case, the like terms, again, just happen to be in the middle. But if there's other ones that we combine all the like terms, 18 minus 20 is negative 2. And we bring down the 15. That's our multiplication, 24x squared minus 2x minus 15. All right, everybody, pause the video. Use what I just taught you to try that second one on your own. Pause, 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 and moving on in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're going to do our same process. We're going to take the 2x, multiply it to the two terms on the right. 2x times 5x is 10x squared. My arrows came out really ugly. That was weird. 2x times 5x is 10x squared. 2x times 4 is negative 8x. Then we're going to distribute the 7. We're going to multiply the negative 7 to the 5 and negative 7 to the negative 4. Negative 7 times positive 5 is negative 35x. And negative 7 times negative 4, I'm multiplying a negative times a negative, gives me a positive 28. Combining our like terms right here in the middle, we end up with 10x squared minus, now in this case, negative 8 minus 35 is negative 43. In this case, same signs, we add them up, so we're going to get negative 43 there, and we end up with bring down the 28. Okay, so that is how we multiply our polynomials. Thank you for following along, and good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching the videos. Bye.